So welcome to all of you on the Grammar Day, and today we are going to discuss the topic verb family. Although we have already touched this topic into the workshop, but in today's session we are going to discuss this topic in detailed manner. Okay, so today's topic is not so much complicated. You already have an idea.
Yes.
Okay, so as we already discussed the parts of speech and we already know which is the most important part of speech, that is called the verb. Verb is the most important part of speech. Why? Because verb is called the hero of the sentence. Verb is called the hero of the sentence. Right? Why the verb is called the hero of the sentence? Any idea?
Because we cannot express our thought without verb.
Okay, because
So
we
it's the
cannot.
main cannot express any idea without the verb because verb describe the action in the sentence.
Okay. Shailesh, this is a sentence. I am in the grammar session. So what is an action in this sentence?
Am.
Am is an action. What do you mean by action? अच्छा चलो
Okay,
यहीं पे
yes.
बात करते हैं. अच्छा, what do you mean by
Okay.
action?
Action means, for example, this is a sentence. I daily play. So play means this is the action in verb.
So what do
Okay,
you mean by
but that
how
your
you
sentence
so how you can
that was
explain
tricky
action?
one.
So how you can explain action?
Action means the work in the sentence, no? What is happening or what will happen like this.
Okay,
Like
okay.
in my sentence, I'm playing. So what is happening? Playing. So I'm playing.
Yes,
Right.
so action ka basically. Hi Sanjeev. Yeah, okay.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Hi Vinod. Hi David. Okay, guys. So what is, देखो, there are the two types of action. First is the
Good evening,
physical.
ma'am.
Good evening, dear. First is the physical action and second is the mental action. Okay, they are the two type of actions. So whenever we say the actions immediately should be coming into your mind. Actions are of two types. One is the physical action. Physical action means in which the body part movements are involved, like playing, like jumping, like eating, in which some movements are there. So that is called the action, physical actions. And some types of actions are also there in which the body movements are not there, but still it is considered as an action in which the mental means mind is using. Okay.
Correct.
So that is called the mental actions. Clear? These are the actions. Now what was the question? I am in a grammar session. So in this sentence, we cannot say that this is an action sentence. This is an action sentence. We cannot say.
This is a linking bar.
Okay, this is not an action sentence, but still there is an important thing that is called the verb, that is called the am. So why we are going to discuss verbs? Because verbs are called the hero of the sentence. What does it mean, the hero of the sentence? It means without verb, we cannot frame a sentence.
Correct.
Without verb, we cannot frame a sentence. बिना verb के हम sentence बना ही नहीं सकते. There can be any verb, whether it is action verb, whether it is mental verb, whether it is be verb, any verb should be there, but there must be a verb in a sentence. Now the question is coming, if I know the verb, I can make a
sentence.
Very good. I can make a sentence. And if I'm able to make a sentence, then what will happen? If I know the verb, I can make a sentence. If I'm able to make the sentence, then what will happen next?
What
बोलो स्मृता.
What exactly I want to convey, that can be understood by others.
By the sentence. Very good, very good. So if I know the verb, I can frame the sentence. And if I know how to frame the sentence, I can easily communicate. Simple सा है guys. Do we speak in letters? क्या हम letters में बात करते हैं?
No. No, ma'am.
No, we don't speak in letters. Do we speak in words?
No.
No, we don't speak in words. Do we speak in sentences?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we always communicate in sentences. Communicate का मतलब होता है if we want to share our ideas, if we want to share our thoughts, if we want to share our knowledge in the form of the words, That is called the sentences. अभी मैं आपसे कैसे बात करूं? इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग फिर आप बोलते हो बी, फिर मैं बोलती हूँ के. नो, वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग इन दिस वे. वी आर टॉकिंग इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. और उन सेंटेंसेस को फ्रेम करने के लिए विच इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट?
Verb.
Verbs.
Clear? So this is clear. Now we will discuss this thing with the help of the pictorial representation. Suppose this is a bridge and they are the two supporters of the bridge. What will happen if there is no support?
Bridge will collapse.
Bridge will
Very
collapse.
good, Saida. The bridge will collapse. The same goes with the sentence. What are the supporters of the sentence?
Verbs.
Verb.
Verbs. Verbs are the supporters of the sentence. Monica, there is no power at your end here?
No.
Okay. So you can switch off your video. Just save your net if you can.
Okay.
Okay. So what are the supporters of the sentence? Verbs are the supporters of the sentence. Sanjeev, what will happen if there is no verb?
Pardon, ma'am?
What will happen if there is no verb?
No, but I cannot express or thought.
Thoughts. Yes. We cannot express the thoughts. So it means no verb, no
No
sentence.
sentence.
Please repeat after me.
Sentence.
No verb,
No verb.
no sentence.
No sentence.
Wrong
No
verb,
sentence.
wrong sentence. Wrong verb,
Wrong verb, wrong
wrong
sentence.
sentence.
Wrong sentence.
No verb, no sentence. So जब भी whenever you have to frame a sentence, immediately you should know कि what is a verb. What type of verb I have to inculcate in this sentence.
Yes.
Now, David, can you read it?
Yes, ma'am. 1 second. Neural path or verb forms.
Neural
I
path of
can't see
verb
last one.
forms. ठीक है, ऐसा ही पढ़ा था. Neural path of verb forms. Neural path of verb forms. What do you mean by neural?
Neural means it related to our brain or neurons.
Brain, yes, related with our brain, related with our nervous system. So what does it mean, neural path of the verb forms? It means that our brain has already been stimulated with this word verb. Because since childhood, we are listening this word. बचपन से हम ये word सुनते आ रहे हैं, verb. So it means our brain has already been stimulated with this word, verb. And what is that? Ki every verb has a 3 forms. Present form, past form, and the past participle form.
Past participle.
And I'm assuming that you know. Okay. So now, Smrita, there is a verb do. What is the past form and past participle of do?
Ma'am, past form did
Hmm.
and past participle is done.
Very good. Do, did, done. Do, did, done. Shailesh, succeed.
Success.
No. Success.
No. Succeeded.
Succeeded. And what is the past
Succeeded.
participle? Succeeded. So
Succeeded.
95% cases mein how to make the past form and past participle form just by putting ed.
ED.
95% cases mein hum ed put karke we can make the past form and past participle.
Past participle.
Correct.
Saida, what is past form and past participle of cook?
Cooked.
Hmm.
Cooking.
No. Past participle.
Cooked.
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 Cooked. Cook. Cooked. 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 Yes. John, go.
Go went gone.
Very good. Go, went, gone. Very simple. Go, went, gone. Go, went, gone. Okay. So what is the neural path of the verb form? Every verb has a 3 forms: present form, past form, and the past participle. Okay. I'm just giving some more verbs. Just try to make all the 3 forms. Okay. I'm giving for
Madam?
everyone. Okay. Please write down your verb.
Madam.
Okay. Let's start with
Madam.
David. Yes.
Madam.
Yes, John.
Hello, madam.
Yes. Please speak.
I have a doubt, a small doubt, madam.
Please speak.
I know present, I know past, but what is the meaning of the past participle?
Past participle means the verb का third form. देखो, these are the grammatical terms. Present form, past form, and past participle forms are the grammatical terms. Okay. But in the layman language, what is present form? That is V1 form, base form of the verb. What is V2 form? That is called the past form of the verb. And what is past participle? That is called the V3 form of the verb. Okay. John, we will discuss the usages later on.
Yes, ma'am. Okay,
Right?
thank you.
I got your point. Ki basically, you want to get the usages. Definitely, we will discuss each and every usages.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Okay. Abhi, right now, you just understand this thing. There are the three form of the verbs: present form 1, present form 2. Oh, sorry, present form, past form, and past participle form. In the simple terms, we can say verb ka first form, verb ka second form, and verb ka third form. Okay, now I'm giving some verbs. Everyone please know. Okay, let's start with David. Everyone please write. David, for you, fly. Fly. Please write
Okay,
down. Okay. नहीं, अभी लिख लो. Smita, for you, catch.
क्या मैम?
Catch. C-A-T-C.
Catch.
Catch.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Saida, for you, eat. E-A-T.
Eat.
Okay. Sanjeev, for you, grow. G-R-O-W. Shailesh, for you, awake. Awake. Okay. Monica, for you, teach. T-E-A-C-H.
Okay.
Okay. Vinod, would you like to try? Vinod? John, would you
Yes,
like?
ma'am.
Okay. Vinod, for you, the verb is run. R-U-N. Run. And John, for
Okay.
you, the verb is swim. S-W-I-M. What you have to do, just make the three forms of the verbs. Present form 1, past form, and past participle. Okay, so let's start. Who is ready?
I am
Yes, Shailesh.
awake, awaked, awaken.
Awake, awoke.
Awoke, awaken.
हाँ, awoken.
Ma'am,
Awake, awoke,
catch.
awoken. हाँ, yes, Smrita.
Madam.
Catch.
हाँ,
Count.
catch, caught.
Yes, got.
अच्छा,
Catch,
both में
caught.
caught.
हाँ,
Okay.
ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
Catched नहीं होता. Most of the time ना we do the mistake catched. No, this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
catch, caught.
Caught.
हाँ,
Okay.
ठीक है.
Catch, caught.
Next.
Madam,
Yes.
ma'am.
हाँ, yes, John.
Swim.
Swim? हाँ.
Swim.
No. Swum. S-W-U-M.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
eat.
हाँ, yes.
Ma'am, eat, ate, ate.
Eaten.
Eaten.
Eat, ate, eaten.
Eaten.
Very good. Next, Sanjeev.
Grow, grew, grown.
Very good. Grow, grew, grown. Okay. Next.
Teach, teach, taught.
Teach, taught. Teach, taught. Teach, taught. ठीक है, जैसे मैं पढ़ाती हूँ, I teach. मैंने पढ़ाया, I taught. So in that case, na, you should know when we will start the tenses, na, guys, at that time, you should know all these forms of the verbs by heart. Otherwise, ना हम उसी लूप में घूमते रह जाएंगे. टीच आएगा, टॉट आएगा, टीच आएगा, टॉट आएगा. Okay? Fly.
Right.
Fly. What is a fly?
Flight.
Huh?
Flightness.
Fly?
Flight.
No.
Flight. ED.
No.
ना, इतना ईडी से इतनी जल्दी काहे को प्यार हो गया, डेविड?
Fly.
Fly.
I flew.
Fly.
Flew.
Flown.
Flown.
Fly, flew, flown. Fly, flew, flown. Fly, flew, flown. Fly, flew, flown.
Okay. Catch, caught.
I will do now some verbs in your WhatsApp number
Okay, ma'am.
so that you can also do some. Okay.
Yeah. चालू रख दो। नहीं।
Okay. Now we will, please mute everyone, guys. Now we will discuss how to remake the neural path of the verb forms. Why we are going to discuss this topic? Because after having the knowledge of the three forms of the verbs, past form, bolo, present form, and
Past participle.
past participle form. After having the knowledge of these three forms, still we are struggling in making the correct
Sentence.
sentences,
Correct
in making
sentence.
the more sentences. So it means again we have to work on our neural path of the verb forms. Okay. Now we are going to discuss this thing with the help of the verb family. As we all have the lovely family, same goes with the verb. Verb also has a family. So now listen this thing. No need to write anything, guys. I will share the whole PDF. Exactly this PDF I will share. Okay. So just focus only on the understanding part. Now there is a lady and the name of this lady is called the mother verb. Now,
नहीं बाबा आप लोग खाए
huh?
I think
Now, there is a lady and the lady delivers the kid. So in the first delivery, she delivers present form 1, present form 2. In the second delivery, she delivers past form. In the third delivery, she delivers present participle. In the fourth
Participle.
delivery, she delivers past participle. And in the
Past
fifth and last
participle.
delivery, she delivers infinite.
Infinitive form.
Okay. So there are total how many members do you see on the screen?
5.
7 मैम
7 members.
Oh, sorry, 7.
7
Mother
members.
verb.
संजीव कितने members दिख रहे हैं screen पर?
7.
1,
7
2,
members.
3, 4.
There are total 7. Just count after me. Mother verb, present
Mother verb.
form 1,
Present
present
form.
form 2,
2
past form,
Past form.
present participle,
Participle.
past participle,
Past
and
participle.
infinite form. So there are total 7 members of the verbs. Now we are going to discuss how to make all these 7 forms of the verbs. Now, first we will take one example. The example is the do verb. So do is a mother verb. Guys, please note down how to make all these forms, because there are so many examples in today's session which we are going to discuss. How to make the present form 1? Please write down. Present form 1 is exactly the carbon copy of the mother verb. Present form 1 is exactly the carbon copy of the mother verb.
Mother verb.
Now, how to make the present form 2? I'm writing in the chat box. Mother verbs plus S oblique ES oblique IES. How to make the present form 2? Mother verb ke saath either you have to put
Yes.
or
ES
ES
or
or
S.
IES.
Or I guess.
अब question आता है कि in which situation we have to put S, in which situation we have to put ES.
Yes.
I hope the whiteboard is visible.
Yeah, it's starting
Yes,
now.
ma'am.
Loading.
Add text.
देखो, the verbs that ends with S, O, X, CH. Okay, the verb that ends with S, O, X, CH. इन सब के साथ हम क्या ऐड करते हैं? Add ES.
Yes.
Add ES. Okay, जैसे do,
Does.
go का present form 2 क्या होगा? What is the present form 2 of go?
Goes.
Goes.
Why? Because this verb ends with letter O.
Oh.
Oh.
Watch, WATCH.
Yes. Watches.
Watches. ये कौन सा watch हुआ? ये घड़ी वाला watch नहीं हुआ, ये देखने
देखने
वाला
वाला
watch हुआ. Because it ends with CH, so that's why we have added ES. Fix.
Yes. Fixes.
Fixes. Okay. अब IES किस में हम put करते हैं? The verb that ends with letter Y. the verb that ends with letter Y. We just remove Y,
And IES.
and add
IES.
Yes.
Like for example, try.
Tries.
What is the present form 2 of try?
Tries.
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 Y को remove करा and I have to make IES.
Yes, ma'am.
Cry,
Cries.
Tries.
cries. Play,
Place.
plays के according क्या होना चाहिए? PLA, Y remove करा and IES.
Yes.
But is this a spelling?
No,
Is
no,
this
wrong.
the
No,
spelling?
ma'am,
No,
this
no.
is
No,
wrong,
no.
ma'am.
Simply
This is
add
wrong.
S. Simply add
Simply
S.
place.
Simply yes.
Why?
Simply
Only
add
S.
S.
Only
Place.
S.
Why? अब देखो इसके
Yes.
पीछे देखो logic क्या है? Although the same logic we have to put in this scenario also because it ends with Y, we have to remove Y and we have to put IES. But my dear students, if any consonant is coming before Y,
A.
if any consonant is coming
Okay.
before Y, then
Hmm.
we have to remove Y and add IES.
Mhm.
But if any vowel is coming before Y, if any vowel is coming before Y, so we cannot apply this rule. We just simply add S.
Yes.
Yes.
Here,
Two. No.
David, Sanjeev, is it clear, guys?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Enjoy. David, बताओ जरा, enjoy का क्या बनेगा? बोलो AEN
JOY, right?
GO.
Enjoy क्या है? Enjoys. Yes.
हाँ, ES नहीं आएगा,
Yes.
S आएगा
S.
खाली.
Only
I
I.
Because see,
enjoys. Yeah.
Y से पहले again there is a
Vowel.
Consonant.
Vowel.
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 Vowels.
Yeah.
Vowel कौन कौन से होते हैं?
Enjoys.
हमारे vowels होते हैं A, E,
A,
I,
O,
O,
E,
U.
I, O.
AEIOU.
अगर ये Y से पहले these vowels are coming before Y, so we just put add S. Otherwise, we have to put IES.
I.
And rest of the verbs जहां पर कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा हो, उन verbs के पीछे S लगा. Eat. What is the present form 2 of eat?
It's
It's.
It's
Eight.
Jump,
Eight.
jump,
Koi
jump,
गाड़ी है?
huh?
Jumps.
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 Jump.
Jumps.
JUMPS. Jumps. Okay, clear?
Ma'am,
हाँ.
we add IES if vowel is coming before Y.
If consonant is coming before Y,
Then we add IES.
then we remove Y and add IES.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes. Hmm.
So now the present form. Huh? Yes.
Madam.
Yes, John.
I could not understand the verbs that ends with SOCH. Only
S.
3 letters.
S-O. No. These are, देखो, जैसे for example, do. Do is a verb that ends with letter O. That ends with
Oh.
letter O. So that's why how to make the present form 2 just by putting ES.
Yes.
Vowel done hai.
There are the verbs which ends with letter S.
Hmm.
There are the verbs which ends with letter CH. Like for example, watch.
Watches.
So उसका how to make the present form 2? ES add कर दो. So
Watches.
watches.
Oh.
Okay. So I have given some examples. At least these 3 or 4 examples you can remain into your mind. How to make the present form 2. So do का क्या हो गया?
Does.
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 Past form, we already know the second form of the verb that is called the did. How
Did.
to make the present
Did.
participle? Please write down. How to make the present participle? Mother verb plus ing.
हाँ,
Verb
doing.
plus ing. तो क्या
Doing.
बनेगा? Doing.
Doing.
What is past participle verb का third form? We already know what is the verb
Done.
for third
Done.
form.
Done.
Done. And what is infinite form? Write down to and
Ma'am,
one verb.
to do.
To do. To do.
Yes, ma'am. To do.
Write down 2 examples, guys.
Okay, ma'am.
I go to temple. Write down. I go to temple.
To do infinite.
Write down the next sentence. I want to do my work. I want to do my work. I want to do my work.
Hmm.
Shalish, can you tell me what is an infinite verb in the first sentence?
Go, gone.
Infinite verb. Infinite verb क्या हुआ first sentence में? What is the first sentence?
I go to
I go
temple.
to
I
temple.
go to temple. So what is an infinite verb in this sentence?
Means ing, no?
No, infinite form is to and
To go.
नहीं
To
sentence
and mother verb.
हाँ to and mother verb. To and mother verb.
हाँ.
Sentence है
Yes.
I go to temple. So what is an infinite verb in this sentence?
Go, to go.
But
To
to
and
से पहले तो go से पहले तो to is not coming ना. After go the to is
To,
coming.
yeah, no, but that to is different. Okay, to go means this is the representing the action verb only, no?
No.
So,
Ma'am, I want to go to temple.
hmm.
Who is the preposition, madam?
देखने दे.
Yes, yes,
that
yes.
is
I
preposition.
really want to. Dekho, guys, see, this comes in our mind. This must be imprinted in our mind. If whenever we see to, so we think ki after the to, there is a verb. There is a verb. For example, I just say, I go to temple.
Temple.
So immediately the answer is coming. Ma'am, to temple is an infinite verb. To temple is an infinite
Okay.
verb because to is coming. To is coming. But my dear students, what is temple? What is a temple? What is a part of speech of temple?
Temple is a noun.
Object,
Very good.
object
Temple
of
is
Noun.
a noun. Temple is a
Noun.
noun.
noun. Yeah,
Because it's a
noun.
name of a place. Temple is a noun.
Yes.
So अगर noun से पहले, if before any noun, the to is coming, so then it becomes a preposition.
Preposition.
Okay.
It becomes a preposition.
Okay.
But
I want to go to temple.
But if this is a sentence, so then this is a verb. This is an infinite verb because to is coming before the verb.
Yes, ma'am.
To is coming before the verb.
For go.
So to go, if I ask you what is an infinite verb in this sentence, second sentence, so your answer is
To
go.
go.
To go.
To go. You can say to go.
To go.
If I ask what is an infinite verb
correct.
in the first sentence, so your answer is
Go.
no.
Nothing.
No,
Nothing.
there is
There
no.
is no
Nothing.
infinite
Nothing.
verb. There is
There
no
is no
infinite.
infinite word. Yes, verb. Yes, ma'am.
Saida, are you getting dear this concept?
No, ma'am. Again, you tell me some.
सईदा देखो सिंपल सा देखो सिंपल टर्म्स में समझा रही हूँ डियर अगेन सुनो इसको if the to is coming before any noun if to is coming before any noun so it becomes a preposition then to जो है becomes a preposition
Preposition.
but if any to is coming before any verb then it becomes a infinite then it becomes a infinite
Infinite.
clear
Yes, ma'am.
Clear.
यहाँ तक क्लियर इसमें तो कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं विनोद इज इट क्लियर
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
ठीक है गॉट इट So I really like, guys, please write down one sentence. I just want to see okay, how you are good in framing the sentences.
Okay.
Just make choose any verb and just make one sentence in the chat box. Simple sentence. Try to make some simple sentences. Any sentence, any verb, choose. And if you want to speak, you can. Yes?
We have to make sentence on infinitive verbs or any form.
No. Shailesh, you have to choose any verb, either present
Okay.
form, to past form,
Okay.
present participle. Just make one sentence.
Okay. He was watching TV.
But he was watching TV. Mein where is a do is coming?
Okay.
Oh.
Do.
So you
it's
You
want to
have to
only
choose. You have to choose
okay.
any verb from this chart.
Okay, this child. Okay.
Yes. Sanjeev, try.
Yes. Okay. I has done the work.
I have.
I have done the work.
I have done the work. Very good, Sanjeev. Next. David,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have to speak in this class.
Yeah. I love to do
I love to do.
cooking.
I love to do cooking.
love-
Okay, very well. Nice sentence. Nice sentence, David. I love to do cooking. Very nice sentence.
I think cooks will be better.
No. Perfectly okay. Perfectly okay. I love to do cooking. I'll let you know why cooking is coming here. Okay, very
He
nice.
did.
I want
He
to.
did.
Ma'am, I
Ah.
done my work on time.
I done nahi. This is wrong. I did bolo ya to.
Sorry, I did my work on time.
I did
Yes,
my
ma'am,
work
I did.
on
I
time.
did.
ठीक है, done. Shailesh?
The same sentence I made, but he did his work on time.
Yes.
Okay, I did work on time. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
He did. He did his work on time.
Acha, he did his work on time. Very good. Very good. Yes.
I go to market
हाँ.
in evening. This one.
इसमें do कहाँ रहा है साइदा? Where is the do is coming? चलो, we will take some more sentences.
मैम I did it भी हो सकता है ना?
हाँ, सब कुछ हो सकता है. I just need to check कि
Okay, ma'am.
मेरे को कितनी मेहनत करवानी है लोगों के साथ. That's why I'm just checking. Okay? तो मैं एक तरीके से अपना मेंटल लेवल भी साथ के साथ प्रिपेयर कर रही हूँ.
Okay, ma'am.
कहाँ
ये
गलती करी है, कहाँ डन आया, कहाँ डिड आया. तो
ये सेंटेंस बराबर है. She does homework regularly.
very good, Shailesh. Excellent sentence. Okay.
I done
now-
my shopping, ma'am.
Sorry, Saida, repeat again.
I done my shopping.
I have done. I have done. Yeah, I did my shopping. I did my shop. Okay, Smrita, just complete.
Yes. Succeed, ma'am. Succeed. Present form to succeed.
Carbon copy of the mother verb.
Ma'am, first to succeed.
हाँ, succeed हो गया.
Second one is succeeded.
No. How to make the present form to?
I don't know, ma'am, actually.
अभी लिखवाया ना, how to make the present form to?
एक मिनट ma'am.
S, ES or IES?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Successes.
Yes.
ES लग जाएगा, ma'am.
Success.
Succeeds. बस S लगा दो ना.
Okay,
कैसे बनाते हैं?
succeeds.
Mother verb plus S.
Past form
ED.
Succeeded. Succeeded.
Present participle.
Succeeding.
Past participle.
Past participle.
Succeeded.
Okay, succeeded. And
Maybe.
to success.
To succeed.
To succeed.
Little
Okay.
succeed, guys. Succeed is a verb.
Okay, ma'am.
Succeed is a verb and success is a noun.
Okay, ma'am.
Can anyone write? Shailesh, can you write this topic, guys? ये मेरे को एक click हुआ है कि this is a topic you should have the knowledge कि how to identify whether it is a noun, whether it is a verb.
Okay.
Okay, so I want to take one class on this topic. Parts of speech के ऊपर कि how to identify. कहता है, अभी मैंने बोल दिया कि this is a noun, this is a verb, but might be this question is coming into your mind कि how it is a noun, how it is a verb. But there are some tips and tricks I will let you know so that you can easily identify कि whether this is a verb, whether this is a noun, how to identify the adjectives, how to identify the adverbs. Guys, you know they are the parts of speech. कौन कौन से
Yes.
बोलो मेरे को
Yes.
बोलो कौन कौन से होते हैं
Yes,
parts of
ma'am.
speech?
Noun,
Noun,
verb, adverb, verb, adverb, preposition, then
conjunction,
conjunction,
and
Interjection.
interjections.
interjection.
ठीक है? These are prepositions नहीं होता.
नहीं होता है? Okay.
हाँ, ठीक है?
Noun,
So
pronoun.
now these are the 8 parts of speech. Okay. So we have to understand. नहीं, preposition होता है. Sorry, Shailesh. Preposition is one of the part of speech.
Preposition.
Sorry, my end. My bad. Okay.
Okay.
So these are the 8 parts of speech. In the next class, guys, we will discuss what are these parts of speech and how to identify these parts of speech. Because this
Okay.
topic will really help you in your vocab sessions. Right? So please
Right.
just give me a reminder. In the next class, definitely I will take this topic.
Okay.
So now, अभी के लिए सिर्फ याद रखो, success is a noun. Success
Okay,
is a
ma'am.
noun. And
Okay.
succeed is a verb.
Yes.
Big guys, see. Simple सा एक sentence है, देखो. Simple sentence है. मैंने सफलता पाई या मुझे सफलता मिली. मुझे सफलता मिली. ठीक है? इसको I can make this sentence into the two ways. Either I can use success as a noun or I can use success as a verb. अगर मेरे को इसको as a verb की तरह use करना है तो how I can
I
make a
succeed.
sentence?
I succeed.
I succeed.
Succeeded.
I succeeded.
Succeeded.
I succeeded.
Succeeded.
I succeeded. अब suppose
Okay.
करो succeeded, I'm not getting how to use this word. I want to use this word as a noun. तो मेरे को noun की जगह क्या use करना पड़ेगा? Success.
I am success. Success.
तो कैसे बनाओगे sentence को?
I
got
was
success.
I
I
got
got
success.
success.
some
I
I
am
got
success.
success
I
after
am
lots
I
of.
got
success.
success.
I am success.
नहीं, I am success is wrong.
Ma'am, I got success.
I got success.
I got
I
success.
Yes.
I
Fire.
got success. Guys, see, got
Okay.
just get है ना?
Whenever we use noun, before we should use got as a verb.
Verb, yes. क्योंकि
Okay.
शैलेश अभी हम
Okay.
डिस्कस कर रहे हैं ना, without verb you
Right.
cannot
It's
frame
a
a
noun.
sentence.
Yes, yes.
तो
Okay.
भाई verb तो लगाना पड़ेगा ना, and this is a past tense, so that's why we are using got.
Got.
You have to use one verb. I am success is wrong.
Wrong.
So then you have to
I'm
put one
successful.
action verb. Action verb you have to put. So I got success.
I am successful. This is the. It's right. I am
Successful क्या है? मैं successful हूँ. That is an adjective. F-U-L.
adjective.
The words
Okay,
that
okay.
ends with F-U-L.
Mhm.
ये हम डिस्कस करेंगे guys. मैं भी एक बार ना note
Okay.
this topic we will definitely take it.
Okay.
Definitely we will discuss this topic.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
got
it will help us to
हाँ.
identify.
Yes, identify. ठीक है? अब पता चल जाएगा कि अच्छा अभी मैंने बोल दिया कि successful is an adjective, but how?
How? Yes,
How?
yes.
वो how वाला जो क्वेश्चन मार्क है ना, उसको हमारे को रिमूव करना है अपनी लाइफ से.
Right.
So I will give you some tips, guys. Understand that tips. I'm not saying कि each and every word should be coming into your mind, but yes, 50 to 70% you are able to identify.
Right.
So I got success बोलो या I
Succeed.
Succeeded.
Succeeded.
Get, guys, nowadays na get is a very beautiful verb. Very beautiful verb. If you know how to use this word na, बहुत beautiful you can make the sentences. So, na,
Actually, it's normal used in movies. No, I used to saw some
nowadays
movies,
we
so
frequently
they
use this
mostly
word.
use
Yes,
got or get something.
get. कहीं पर कुछ समझ नहीं आता तो I have seen even most of the time I also use this verb get.
Okay.
Oh my God, this is Stana बातें ज्यादा हो गई क्या हमारी?
Succeeded.
चलो guys, ठीक है, done. Okay. Water, Saida.
Water.
yes.
Water.
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 Hmm.
Waters.
Waters. Waters.
Watered.
Watered.
Let us speak.
Watered.
Shalish.
Watered. Watering.
Watered.
Huh?
What?
ING.
What?
What? Watering.
watering,
Hmm. Past participle, ed put karo.
watered,
Watered.
what,
To
To
what?
what?
to
To
what,
what? To what? To what?
to what,
And, please,
water,
guys, please make one sentence of
watered,
water. Water is a verb. Water is a verb. Just make one sentence, everyone. And I really appreciate from John and Vinod. John and Vinod, please make a start. I really want to break the ice from your end.
What, madam? Water, waters.
No, you have to make one sentence. Choose any verb and make one sentence.
I water the
I
plants.
I
I
water
water
the
the plants.
plants. Excellent.
Yes.
Yes, next.
He waters
I
the
drink.
plants.
He waters. ठीक है. Very good, Mr. Vinod. Yes, John, would you like to try?
I drink to water, madam.
I
That's not.
drink.
I
No.
watering,
I want to do to what? Okay, no.
No. I want to water the plants. John, this is a sentence. In this case, now you have to use the infinite form.
Okay.
I want to water the plants. Okay. Next.
She
Sandeep.
watering.
Ah.
She watering in the garden.
She?
She was watering in the garden.
Ah, very good. Very good.
Watered.
She was watering in the garden. Very good. Next. Sanjeev.
watering the
I?
after watering that tree, he went to the house.
I'm not getting. Speak louder. I?
After
Ah.
after watering
Ah.
at the tree,
Acha, after watering the trees, he went to his house. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, Smrita.
Ma'am, I put water every day to the plant.
I?
Put water.
नहीं ये तो as a verb की तरह थोड़ी use हुआ स्मिता.
Okay,
You have to
okay.
use as a verb.
Okay. I watered plant every day.
Yes, I water plants every day.
Yes, ma'am.
अगर आप बोलते हो ना I put water तो वो आपने as a noun की तरह use कर दिया
Okay,
because you
okay,
already make one verb.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, David.
Hello.
Big
Ma'am,
friend.
maybe I am wrong, but I'll tell you. I used to water my plants every day, but I think this is infinitive verb, right?
I used to water.
I water my plants every day.
I used to water.
Yeah.
David, used to होता है whenever we are talking about the past habits.
Past, yeah.
Past habits, ठीक है ना? So I used
Yes,
to
ma'am.
water my plants. हाँ ठीक है. मैं हर रोज
This
अपने
is
plants
correct,
को
no?
हाँ this is correct sentence. David.
पानी देता था.
हाँ ठीक है. Now David, this is for you. Just complete this chart.
Okay. This is for me. Different. Different. Difference. Different. Two different. Lost two.
Okay, very good. What is the meaning of be friend?
Yeah.
What is the meaning of be friend?
Sorry. Different means that is.
Acha, anyone?
Difference means separation means.
friend.
देखो.
Different.
हाँ.
It means.
देखो simple है guys. Friend
होना.
Friend से बना है. This word has been derived from the word friend. Friend मतलब होता है दोस्त. Be friend मतलब होता है दोस्ती करना. दोस्ती करना. The act of being friend. The act of being friend. That is called the be friend. And now how to make the verbs from noun? Now friend is a verb. Friend is a noun. If we put be before any noun, it becomes the verb.
Yeah.
So be friend is a verb. क्या मुझसे दोस्ती करोगे? इसकी इंग्लिश बनाओ जरा स्मृता.
क्या मुझसे दोस्ती करोगे?
Would you be friend?
Huh?
To me.
Will
Can you
Will you
Would
be
you?
befriend?
will you
Be
befriend?
my befriend. Will you be mine befriend?
Would you
Can I
like
say?
to be my friend? Would you like to be friend?
Would you like to befriend?
Be,
Yeah.
Will you befriend me? Will you befriend me? देखो अगर आप be और friend के बीच में if you are putting some space, so it means you are using as a noun.
Now, yes, yes.
Befriend अगर if you are using as a single word, then it becomes a verb.
Okay.
So
Will you be friend?
will you befriend me? मुझसे
You-
अगर मुझसे होगा will you
Will you
befriend
be
me?
friend
Will
me?
you
Will you
befriend me?
befriend me?
Befriend.
Will you befriend me?
we are friends?
Huh?
We are be friends.
Ma'am,
ना
it is a, will you befriend me? Means मुझसे दोस्ती करोगे?
We
हाँ
was be friend. This is the correct sentence.
Shailesh, repeat again.
We was be friend.
We
We
was.
wo. हाँ.
We के
No,
साथ
no.
was नहीं आता.
No.
No, no.
We
Okay,
were.
ing.
We
Okay.
were. We were.
We
We were.
were befriend.
नहीं नहीं बी फ्रेंड्स मतलब
No.
बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स नहीं है गाइस बी
We
फ्रेंड्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स नहीं है
Want to be friend.
हाँ बी फ्रेंड्स मीन्स दोस्ती करना दोस्ती करना
I want to be
Okay.
Ma'am,
हाँ
would you like to befriend?
would you like to befriend yes would you like to befriend very good infinite form Saida
Yes,
what's your
That is the
sentence
I want to be friends.
I want to befriend फ्रेंड्स नहीं आई वॉन्ट टू
Friend.
बी फ्रेंड आई
Friend.
वॉन्ट टू बी फ्रेंड
To be
मैं
friend.
दोस्ती करना चाहती हूँ हिंदी में क्या था साइदा आपका सेंटेंस था मैं दोस्ती
मैं दोस्ती
करना
कर
चाहती हूँ हाँ आई वॉन्ट टू बी फ्रेंड
I want to
आई
be
वॉन्ट टू
I
बी
want to
फ्रेंड विद
befriend
स्ट्रेंजर्स विद स्ट्रेंजर्स मैं अनजानों के साथ दोस्ती करना चाहती हूँ तो आई वॉन्ट टू बी फ्रेंड विद स्ट्रेंजर्स ओके
friend. Yes.
हैव
Have.
संजीव
Have.
Yes, ma'am.
जस्ट कंप्लीट दिस
Have. Have.
Have.
Have.
हैव प्रेजेंट फॉर्म टू इज
Have.
Have.
हैज
Have.
Yes.
past
Yes.
form
Yes. Yes. Had.
Had.
Having. Present form.
Having.
Having. Had.
Having.
To have.
excellent John your internet is facing a lot of issue okay now guys this is a have family very important family okay just try because this is have family that can be used as a main verb का मतलब होगा single verb is coming have family का single verb is coming but it can be used as an helping verb means the two verbs are coming just try
I have done the work.
I have done the work so then
I have to succeed.
Sanjeev, in this sentence, you have to use have as an helping verb.
Helping us.
Helping verb.
Ma'am, is it true? Is it right?
Yes.
I have to succeed.
I have to succeed in my life. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good.
I have learned, ma'am.
I have learned.
I had
Yes,
lunch.
I have
have
learned.
learned.
Yes, I have learned. Very good. I
I
have
have
a
to
pen. I have a
I
pen.
have
I
I
have.
have to write an example, madam.
I have to write an example. Very good. Very good. Acha, now,
had
have a
dinner.
pen.
now use have as a single verb. Now use
I have a pen.
I
Have a pen.
have a pen. Very good. Next.
I have two child
I have two child नहीं बोलते I have two children बोलते हैं
children.
ठीक है I have two children
Two
okay
children.
next
Next. Has.
हाँ बनाओ
He has gone to the school.
he has gone to school very good
Ma'am, she has a beautiful voice.
she has a beautiful melodious voice
Okay, melodious voice.
हाँ voice के लिए ना स्मिता
She
use
has
this
a
vocabulary
Melodious.
voice.
मैंने तुम्हारे ग्रुप में भेजा था वो vocabulary का
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You sent
मेरे को
me.
अच्छा लगा कल मैं ना ऐसी बना रही थी मैं कहा चलो तुम लोगों के साथ शेयर करती हूँ
Thank you, ma'am.
हाँ
I
इस
having
ग्रुप
something,
पे
ma'am. I having something.
I
Having
No, I am
something.
I am having
I
something
am having
I
something.
am, sir.
I am having some Okay, chalo, next. Cook. Cook is a very simple verb. I think everyone can make. Okay. Vinod, Mr. Vinod,
Ma'am,
what
I'll
would you
say.
like? Yeah, acha, chalo, David. Huh.
Okay. Cook, cooks, cooked. Next cooked and
Cooking,
last
cooking.
two cooked.
Cooking.
Cooked and
Ma'am,
Yeah,
cook,
cooking.
cook,
ING.
cooked, cooking, cooked, cook, to cook.
to
To
cook.
cook.
ठीक है, simple है.
हाँ, ये तो बहुत सिंपल था.
हाँ, easy. Eat. Smrita.
Ma'am,
Cook.
eat,
Eat.
ate,
Eats. Ate.
Eats.
Eats.
ate,
Eat.
ate,
Ate.
eating.
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 उसके में again ate,
Past participle.
Eaten.
eaten, and
To
to
eat.
eat.
To eat. This is also
Past
simple.
participle.
Past participle you can make.
Eaten.
But exceptions are always there. So what is an exception verb? Exception verb is a be verb. Be verb is an exception verb in the entire English grammar because this is the only verb which has 9 forms of the verbs.
Okay.
Be, is, am, are, was, were, being, been, to be. 9 forms of the verb. And this is a verb which can be used as an helping verb. This is a verb which can be used as a main verb. This is a verb which you can use in all the tenses. And this is a verb which you can use in all the passive voice. A very important verb, guys. We are going to discuss this verb in detail.
Be.
Okay? Be verb. But at least you should know if I ask you what are the members of be family, so it should be immediately comes into your mind. Be, is, am, are, was, were. Being, been.
Are, was, were,
Been,
been,
to be.
been,
To be.
to be.
So what is the remake of the neural path? Ki every verb has the 7 forms except the be verb which has the 9.
9.
Okay, surpass. Shalish.
बहुत गलत है बात है.
Surpassing.
Present form 1.
Surpass.
Surpass.
Surpasses.
Uh,
Surpassed. Surpassing. Surpassed. To surpass.
Excellent. To surpass. Surpass means to lead, excel. आगे बढ़ जाना. To go beyond.
आगे बढ़ जाना.
To go beyond. I surpass from my parents' expectations. I surpass from my parents' expectations. Okay. John, would you like to try malfunction?
Malfunction.
Hmm.
Malfunction.
Malfunction.
Malfunctioned. Malfunctions.
Okay. What is present participle?
Malfunctioned.
Malfunctioning.
Malfunctioning.
Function.
Present participle.
Malfunctioned.
Past participle, madam. Malfunctioned.
And to malfunction. इसका थोड़ा सा alignment. What is the meaning of malfunction, guys?
Ma'am,
खराब हो जाना.
To success. To
बराबर नहीं चलना. खराब मतलब बराबर नहीं चलना.
That is
Mobile now
not functioning.
malfunctioning.
That is not functioning properly.
Yes.
That is not functioning properly. That is not functioning properly. Suppose I am asking to Sanjeev. Sanjeev, why you have joined this grammar session late? And Sanjeev is saying कि मैम मेरा ना लैपटॉप सही ढंग से काम नहीं कर रहा था. तो संजीव इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे ट्रांसलेट करेंगे? Sanjeev will say, ma'am, my laptop was not working properly. Okay, but why we are making such a lengthy sentence if we know this word? So Sanjeev, just replace this
My
sentence with this
laptop
word
was
malfunction.
malfunctioning.
कैसे बनाओगे संजीव? I got late. My laptop was
malfunction.
malfunctioning. My laptop was
What is
malfunctioning.
it? Another word is defang. Defang means
Defame.
similar word. Defang.
Yes. So malfunctioning means, देखो mal जो है mal, mal is a negative term. So whenever you put this word in any further words, it becomes in a negative. So malfunctioning means which is not working properly. Okay. Suppose करो आप लिफ्ट से आ रहे थे और लिफ्ट आपकी अटक गई. So कैसे बोलेंगे? The elevator
Malfunctioning.
malfunctioned. The elevator
Okay.
malfunctioned.
Past.
अटक गई तो मतलब पास. The elevator
Attack, yes, yes.
malfunctioned between the two floors.
Ma'am, I want to ask something. I have heard if the last three word is TION, that it indicates the noun, but here malfunction is
But malfunction
how
is
it-
a noun. But malfunction is a verb. But malfunction is a verb. It can, देखो, malfunction can be used as a verb also.
as a noun
Malfunction
also.
can be used as a noun also.
Noun as well.
अभी देखो, जैसे अभी हमने sentence बोला, the elevator malfunctioned. The elevators, listen guys, very मतलब I must say कि very good question Sanjeev has asked, कि the words which ends with TION, that becomes a noun. But malfunction, because there are so many words in the entire English grammar which can be used as a verb also, which can be used as a noun also. In that situation, you must know the usages. अगर मैं बोलती हूँ the laptop was malfunctioning, तो in this case हमारा malfunction use हुआ है as a verb की तरह. Verb. The elevator malfunctioned. लिफ्ट खराब हो गया. इसको कैसे बनाओगे? लिफ्ट खराब हो गया. The elevator
Malfunction.
malfunction. तो this is a verb. अगर सपोज करो सेंटेंस है, अभी जैसे सपोज करो आई एम टेकिंग द CBSE रिजल्ट. CBSE रिजल्ट्स आर जस्ट अप्रोच, आई गोइंग टू अनाउंस सून. तो अगर ये सेंटेंस होता CBSE का रिजल्ट डिले हो गया क्योंकि उनके कंप्यूटर सही ढंग से काम नहीं कर रहे थे, तो कैसे बनाओगे? देखो सुनो मेरे को सेंटेंस को. CBSE का रिजल्ट डिले हो गया क्योंकि उनके कंप्यूटर सही ढंग से काम नहीं कर रहे थे. सही ढंग से काम मतलब उनके कंप्यूटर्स खराब हो गए. तो कैसे सेंटेंस बनाओगे? द CBSE रिजल्ट गॉट डिलेड ड्यू टू malfunction
Malfunctioning of computers.
due to malfunction of the computers. अब यहाँ पर due to malfunction, ये हमारा as a noun की तरह.
Noun.
ठीक है? तो that Sanjeev, we will discuss. I got your point guys कि where you guys are struggling. But this is a good question you ask. ठीक है? This is clear? Now next. Oh, sorry. Eavesdrop. Yes, anyone? Mr. Vinod, would you like to try?
Eavesdrop.
Eavesdrop.
Eavesdrop, eavesdrops, eavesdropped, eavesdropping, eavesdropped, to eavesdrop.
Excellent, excellent. Very nice. What is the meaning of eavesdrop?
I don't know, madam.
Snoop.
चुगली करना.
Huh?
चुगली.
No, no,
ना,
no.
Snoop.
पीठ पीछे बोलना.
नहीं, backbiting.
I don't know then.
Backbiting.
Eavesdrop का मतलब होता है to listen someone's talk secretly.
Secretly.
किसी की बातें चोरी छुपे सुनना. To listen someone's talk secretly.
अच्छा.
शैलेश, मेरे कलीग्स
Yes.
ने मेरी बातें चोरी छुपे सुनी.
My colleagues eavesdrops me.
Eavesdrop my
Eavesdrop
my talk.
My
My colleagues eavesdropped my talk.
drop my talk.
स्मृता, चोरी छुपे किसी की बातें सुनना अच्छी आदत नहीं है.
अरे बाप रे.
कुछ ज्यादा ही हिंदी बोल दिया.
Yeah.
It's bad. How?
to
अच्छा
listening.
चलो सब ट्राई करो.
चोरी छुपे ना मैम. मैम eavesdrop is a bad habit.
Eavesdropping.
Eavesdropping is a bad habit.
Eavesdropping is a bad habit.
That habit.
Yes ma'am.
Eavesdropping is a bad habit.
Yes ma'am.
Fail you can all do. This is a very simple circle. Okay, next is ill treat. Ill-treat.
Treat.
Yes. David?
Treat.
Ill-treat.
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 Ill-treat,
Ill-treats.
ill-treated,
Ill-treated.
Treated.
ill-treating,
Ill-treating.
ill, first person,
Ill-treat.
ill-treated,
Ill-treated.
and to
To
ill-treat.
ill-treat. What is the
Ill-treat.
meaning of
Ill-treat.
ill-treat?
बुरा बर्ताव.
Bura bartav. To
Correct.
treat someone very badly.
Badly.
Very bad.
To treat someone very badly.
Ill-treated.
Ill-treat. Ill. देखो treat होता है treat करना किसी के साथ कैसे how to behave. But if you are putting I-double-L, ill, so it becomes a negative. So ill-treat means to behave with someone very badly. It's wrong to ill-treat animals. Animals के साथ बुरा व्यवहार करना अच्छी गलत आदत है. It's wrong to ill-treat poor kids. Ill-treat. Saida.
Beseech.
Besiege. Besiege.
Beseech. Beseeches. Beseeching.
अब देखो CH, guys, see. This word ends with which letter?
Beseeches.
CH.
CH.
तो CH से अगर end हुआ है तो how to make the present form to?
CH.
ES. ES put करके. ES put करके. Got it?
Besieged.
Besieged or besought?
Besought. Beseeching.
Beseeching.
Besieged. Besiege. Besiege. To besiege.
To besiege. Very good. What is the meaning of besiege, guys? Besiege is a word. देखो, have you heard the word begging?
Begging.
word सुना है? Begging word.
Yes, ma'am. भीख मांग मतलब
भीख मांगना,
या
हाँ, गिड़गिड़ाना. देखो,
गिड़गिड़ाना.
beseech का मतलब भी क्या होता है? To urge, to request.
Okay.
हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं गिड़गिड़ाना. But
जी,
what
जी.
there is a very thin difference between the beseech and the beg. Begging हम mostly जैसे suppose करो I'm talking with my friends. If I'm talking in the informal environment, so I can use a begging. Suppose करो मैं अपने friend से कह रही हूँ आप please दे दे मुझे. I'm begging you, please do this for me. I'm begging you. But suppose guys I'm talking with my boss. I'm talking with my seniors. In that case I cannot say कि I'm begging you. So whenever you are talking, so whenever you are talking in the formal environment in which the emotions are deeply connected, okay, in that case you have to use the word beseech. Suppose.
I beseech you many times, madam. I beseech you many times.
I beseech you many times. Ki, ma'am, please don't say me to turn on the camera. But still you are asking again and again. Okay, so I beseech, guys. See, there is a very thin difference between the begging and the beseeching. Begging, if you are talking to your kids, I don't know what is the relationship between your husband and the wife. So sometimes you can use the begging, sometimes you can use the beseech. Suppose husband is a chain smoker. Okay, and you really want कि भाई मेरा husband जो है, he wants to quit the smoking. So then you can say, I'm beseeching you, please quit the smoking. Or you can also say, I'm begging you. Both sentences are absolutely right. But guys, if you're talking with your boss, suppose I'm talking with my boss, कि boss, भैया please मेरी ना salary अब hike कर दो. So what I can say, कि sir, I'm beseeching you, please raise the hike in my salary. Sir, I cannot say I'm begging you. Although this sentence is grammatically correct, guys, but the more beautiful sentence is I'm beseeching you. Beseeching का मतलब होता है request. गिड़गिड़ाना मतलब बहुत ज्यादा मैं request कर रही हूँ कि please do this. I'm beseeching you to forgive me. So in that situation, you just have to concern कि आप you are talking with whom. Whether it's a senior or boss or family members, it's totally up to you. Okay, so this is a word. Now, guys, this is a sentence. I cook rice. I cook rice. How to differentiate between the mother verb and the present form one? We already discussed in the initially that present form 1 is exactly the carbon copy of the
Carbon copy.
mother verb. ये हमने discuss करा था.
Yes, yes.
But how to identify whether it is a present form 1 or the mother verb? Guys, see, if the main verb is coming alone, then it becomes present form 1. Alone का मतलब है without any supporting verb, without any s, es, ing and ed. If only the main verb is coming, main verb, guys, then it becomes the present form 1.
After subject.
I drink water.
After subject.
Ma'am, I drink water is also coming with alone.
So
means
drink is
mother
a present form 1. So drink is a present form 1.
Okay.
Drink अकेला आ रहा है ना, इसके साथ कोई और verb तो आ नहीं रहा.
No.
No other verb is coming. There is no s, es, ing, and so again it is a present form 1.
Okay. Check.
Ma'am, can I ask one question?
Yes.
Rice. I can cook rice.
Suppose you are saying, I had dinner.
Had
We can take it a present form, right?
Had is not a present form because had is not an action verb.
No, that's only I'm saying. As per rules, had also coming alone.
But that no. But that should be in a present form. That should be in a present form. David, देखो present form. If you are talking about the present form, na, so it is mandatory that this should coming into the present form. Had is not a present form.
That is first.
Okay, so then you can say, I could cook rice, I can cook rice, I shall cook rice. David, how many verbs in the first sentence?
First sentence, there are two verbs is there.
Two verbs. Could and
verb
cook.
model. Yeah.
And second mein, again two verbs, can and cook.
Second,
in the third, two verbs, shall and cook. So if the mother verb, if the main verb क्या है? Cook. If the main verb is coming along with any supporting verb, then it becomes the mother.
Okay.
If the main verb is coming along with any supporting verb, then it becomes the mother.
Okay. Ma'am, it means when verb is coming alone without any supporting one, that form is present.
But that should be the present. जैसे अभी example ले लिया, I had dinner, तो इसमें भी अकेला आ रहा है. लेकिन but this is not in the present form. The verb should be in the present.
Okay, ma'am.
देखो mother verb में भी present होना होता है, present form 1 में भी present में होना होता है. लेकिन how to differentiate between that? Present form 1 means it is coming alone. Mother verb means it is coming along with the supporting
verb.
Because देखो how to retain into your mind, mother है, she is getting older. So mother always needs a support. So mother verb always comes with the supporting verb. I eat an apple. I eat an apple. What is a verb and what type of verb?
Eat, ma'am, present form or eat is an verb.
नहीं, eat कौन सा verb हुआ? Eat is of which type of verb? No, I eat apple.
Present form, ma'am.
Present form. It is coming alone ना, इसके साथ कोई और दूसरा verb तो नहीं आ रहा ना, it is coming alone. अच्छा, second sentence, संजीव के लिए. I will eat an apple. I will eat an apple.
Mother verb.
Mother verb. How?
Will is a
supporting. Will is a supporting verb. Will is a supporting verb.
Yes, ma'am.
David and Shailesh.
Yes, ma'am.
David, I swim.
Simple verb.
This is swim is present verb, main verb.
Present verb. Swim is present verb.
Present verb.
Present verb. Shailesh, I could swim.
Mother verb.
Mother verb.
Could is there.
Could is there. Could is there. Clear? यहाँ तक clear?
Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
How to differentiate? Where is John? John is there. John, आपका आ गया. How to differentiate between the past form and the past participle? Abhi, just right now we are going to discuss how to differentiate the past form and the past participle. Saida, there is a verb cook. C-O-O-K, cook. What is the past form?
I will cook.
नो पास्ट फॉर्म बताओ, बस पास्ट वर्ब बताओ, कुक का,
cooked,
cooked and past participle,
cooking,
Same.
नो
cooked.
past participle भी
Cooked.
cooked होता है,
Cooked.
cooked,
ठीक है। तो कैसे डिफरेंशिएट करोगे कि ये हमारा पास्ट फॉर्म है ये, या दिस इज आवर पास्ट पार्टिसिपल,
Yes, ma'am.
दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन।
Hmm.
देखो अगर
ED,
सिंपल सेंटेंस आता है यू कुक्ड राइस, इफ द सिंगल वर्ब इज कमिंग बट दैट शुड बी इन द पास्ट फॉर्म।
Yes, ma'am.
डेविड सुनो ध्यान से, इफ द
Yes, ma'am.
सिंगल वर्ब इज
Yes, ma'am.
कमिंग, इफ द सिंगल वर्ब इज कमिंग बट इट शुड बी इन द पास्ट फॉर्म, देन इट बिकम्स द पास्ट फॉर्म।
past,
पास्ट फॉर्म का मतलब क्या हो गया, वर्ब का सेकेंड फॉर्म,
Second form.
सेकेंड फॉर्म।
Later.
अगर सिंगल वर्ब आ रहा है बट इट इज इन द पास्ट फॉर्म, सो इट बिकम्स अ पास्ट वर्ब।
First.
अगर आपका मेन वर्ब आ रहा है but it is coming along with these supporting verbs, have, write down, please write down, have, had, will have and
Will
has.
have.
They are the four supporting verbs you can use to make the past participle. पास्ट पार्टिसिपल पास्ट पार्टिसिपल मतलब होता है वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म, वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म इज अ पास्ट पार्टिसिपल। बट हाउ टू मेक द पास्ट पार्टिसिपल, यू हैव टू पुट दीज फोर सपोर्टिंग वर्ब्स, and what are that
Madam,
supporting verbs? Have, had, will have
will have,
Has.
and has.
madam,
Yes, yes.
madam,
What, ma'am?
don't feel bad upon me, madam. Just I want to ask one question. Uh, you have cooked rice.
हाँ
I understood.
हम्म
You had cooked rice.
हाँ
Okay, I okay, understood. Actually, you will have. Will means the future tense.
yes,
Future perfect.
Will have. Will have also.
future perfect.
Future
Yeah,
perfect.
future perfect. But why did the use the second form, or we have form when we use the have form, and we should use the third form, the third verb.
John, see. Will have is a future tense. ठीक है, that we will discuss. अभी right now you just have to listen कि whenever we use these supporting verbs, have, had,
Yes.
will have. After that, this is not the second form. Cooked is not a second form, John, यहाँ पर. If these supporting verbs are coming, so the next verb should be in the verb का third form.
Third form.
Verb past participle. This is not the past form. This is past participle form.
Means third form.
Suppose. Write down two sentences. I ate my dinner. I ate my dinner. I ate my dinner. What is ate? John, what is ate?
Simple past tense, madam.
Tense नहीं बोलो, simple past form. Simple past form. Because the single verb is coming and that is in the past form. Write down
Past
the
form.
second sentence. Write down the second sentence.
Yes, madam.
I had eaten my dinner.
Again struggling.
I had eaten my dinner. Then what is that verb?
Past participle.
Past participle. Eaten is a past participle. How? Dekho, there are the two ways how to check that this is a past participle. The first way is that it is a V3 form.
Yeah.
Eaten is a V3 form. And suppose
Yes.
suppose you don't know ki what is a V3 form. So then you can check ki what is the supporting verb is using before this word. So you will check had is the word is coming before that. So then it is also the criteria how to make the past participle. So if these four supporting verbs are coming, कौन से?
have,
Have,
had,
had, and will. Will have. If
will
these
have.
four supporting verbs are coming, so the next verb should be in the past participle. John, is it clear?
Okay, little, madam.
Little I can understand, John. Just give me some time now. Once I will start the tenses. Then I
Yeah.
will clear your each and every doubt. कि how to use a future perfect. अभी
Yeah,
doubt
in my brain, will means future.
No, but it is not only will. It is will have.
Yeah.
It is will have.
Oh,
So then you cannot say कि only will is coming. These are the supporting verbs, John. These are the supporting verbs that you have to keep into your mind while using the past participle. Otherwise, you cannot differentiate, na? Suppose sentence is I cooked rice. Ab how you can differentiate whether it is past participle or whether it is past form? Because both the forms are same. Cook, cooked, cooked. But if you will put will have or had or has before this cooked, so then you can identify that this is past participle.
okay, madam.
Okay.
Ma'am, I will have eaten my dinner. Then it is future perfect.
This is future perfect. Yes.
Okay.
This is future perfect. Okay, guys. I have written some verbs. ये completed है word. Last word is completed. Okay.
Completed.
Okay. Done. Run. Shailesh, what is run? You just tell me, guys. Now we know the 7 forms of the verbs. Mother verb, present form 1, present form 2, past form, present participle, past participle, and infinite form. Suppose these verbs are coming in front of
Run,
you.
ran.
No.
Run, ran, run.
No. Shailesh, you just tell me.
Past participle.
No,
Past
you
participle.
just tell me ki what is the form of this verb. Run.
Present form 1.
Present.
Okay, let him speak. Run.
This is past participle, no?
No.
Means form 1 or 2, like this.
1.
7 forms हमने शैलेश अभी हमने 7 forms verbs करा है. आपको सिर्फ naming करना है कि this is of which type of verb.
Okay, 1.
1.
Present form 1. Okay.
Present form 1.
Okay, Saida, jumps.
Jumps. Present form 2.
Present form 2 because it ends with S.
S.
Okay. John, eating.
Eating. ING forms, madam. The form 4, madam.
Name. What is the name? Present participle.
Present participle.
You have to keep this thing into mind. This is present participle if it ends with S. Oh, ING. Sorry. Smrita, can run. Can run.
Ma'am, can run past participle.
No.
I can run.
Guys, see, run or can run. Run or can
Mother,
run. Run जो
mother
है
verbs.
हम run जो है मतलब present form 1 है. Can run जो है वो mother verb. As I told you ना, how to make the mother
yes,
form.
supporting verb.
Supporting.
Auxiliary, madam. Auxiliary form.
Model
Sorry.
auxiliary.
Can run.
Can run. Can run becomes a, so run in this case, run becomes a mother verb. Because the supporting verb is coming before that.
Yes.
Okay, David, to go.
Infinitive. Sorry.
Infinite verb.
Infinite.
To
Yeah.
go is infinite verb. Vinod, Mr. Vinod, what is have completed?
Past participle.
Past participle. And John, what is complete? Sanjeev is there. Sanjeev, what is completed?
Past, simple past.
Simple past. So now you got the difference. Agar have completed आया है, तो you can easily identify it is a past participle. But only if completed is coming, so then your answer is it is simple past form. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Can
Yeah.
run.
David, John, clear this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.